Alright, so today's look, the children are coming to the Boys and Girls Club. Look at where we're going today. Boys and Girls Club. We're gonna do some. Yeah! Oh goodness, everybody.
Hey, Jayla, you can't just sit there and tell me what to do. You're supposed to be.
I know, but I don't want you to get in trouble because if Harold come over here, it's gonna be a lot of hoopla.
I'm not gonna get in trouble because y'all being productive.
Okay.
You need to get up and dance with them, or I'm gonna change you as good.
Okay, I know. I'm trying to listen. Girl, come on.
Oh Lord.
Okay, listen. I'm about to play the song one time so everybody can listen to the song. After that, again, I'm gonna cut it off and y'all gonna make up a dance tour. You have 15 minutes and then I'm gonna pick the winning team.
Oh dear.
Okay, now y'all make sure y'all dance. Y'all got 15 minutes.
So we gonna be like this. You have to put some slang. This thing's like good. We travel all around the world. You then you.
Oh. Okay, let's do this.
Let me see.
Oh,
And then you point at her. Okay. You spin, you point at her.
Yes.
2, 3. Other side. Come on, Scott. Wait. Don't go. Okay, we gonna practice again. Get it out. Okay, now. Get in the line, girl. I'm in the line. Get a little slack to it. Like this. Okay. Let me see. Yes. You gotta say back to it. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Michaela look like they gonna win.
I know. Here we go. Walk 1, walk 2, walk, drop. Walk 1, walk 2, walk.
Y'all need to add some stuff, Michaela. Y'all need to add more movement.
And then we go. And when I say 2, 3, we don't say it when I say 1, 2. We ride across. We go 1, 2, 3, 4.
the drum.